Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is June 20th, 2025, and here are our top stories. DIY Lipsync, AI research, AI debate, endless learning. DIY Lipsync. Virtual figures are now impressively realistic with AI tools like Kling AI and Hagen. The latest edition, however, doesn't require a cloud connection or expensive subscriptions. Hunyuan Video Avatar, an open-source model released in May 2025, runs locally on an NVIDIA graphics card from the 20th series or newer, with at least 8 gigabytes of graphics memory. With just a photo, an audio recording, and a brief text prompt, it creates a short video in about an hour. The person in the photo appears to speak the chosen passage with natural gestures and expressions. Developed by Tencent with its music and entertainment division, this tool enables users and advertisers to create lifelike short videos by analyzing context and emotions for realistic animation. AI research. Heist KI Pro is hosting a 1-hour webinar on July 8, 2025 at 4 p.m. The event, titled Deep Research, A Fresh Start with Targeted AI Research, dives into practical uses of AI-supported research tools that transform how we gather information. Participants will discover how to effectively use these tools to perform deep research quickly and gain valuable insights. The session will introduce various deep research versions, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Attendees will also explore advanced prompt techniques for precise results and learn how to critically evaluate and verify AI-generated information. AI debate. Apple's recent research paper, The Illusion of Thinking, has sparked renewed debate about the cognitive abilities of large language models. By using classic puzzles like the Tower of Hanoi, Apple's team showed that even the latest models struggle to execute simple algorithms correctly and completely. The authors suggest that these models lack generalizable thinking, instead acting as mere pattern recognizers. Some in the AI community view this as a narrow argument. Lawrence Chan from Meter offers a nuanced analysis, suggesting that generalization can be an extension of memorization, evolving from specific knowledge to generalizable rules. He cautions against drawing broad conclusions from models' weaknesses in theoretical examples, emphasizing the importance of their applicability to real, complex tasks. Endless learning. Researchers at MIT have developed a new framework for AI models called Self-Adapting Language Models, or SEAL, that enables large language models to learn independently. SEAL achieves this by generating and evaluating its own training material. This means the AI can continually improve itself without relying on predefined training phases. The model tests its adjustments during tasks, using feedback to fine-tune its learning cycles. With SEAL, experiments using the Llama and Quen models showed significant improvements, particularly in complex problem-solving scenarios like the ARCHI benchmark. However, issues such as catastrophic forgetting, where new information overwrites older knowledge, as well as high computational demands, remain challenges. Still, SEAL's approach to self-generated learning material and feedback loops marks a significant step forward, offering a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't just answer questions, but evolves intelligently. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.